Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to automate thanking customers for paying Xero invoices in Zapier. This is incredibly useful because it saves you time by automatically sending a personalized thank you email with the invoice PDF attached every time a payment comes through, making your business look more professional and responsive. Let's start by opening your web browser and heading over to Zapier.com. Once you're there, go ahead and log in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your Zapier dashboard where all your automations live. Now click the Zap button to start creating your new automation. This opens the Zap editor where you'll build out your workflow step by step. First, we need to set up the trigger, which is what kicks off this entire automation. Click the trigger button, and in the search box that appears, type in and select Xero for the trigger event. Choose New Payment. This is what tells Zapier to start the automation whenever an invoice payment is received or reconciled in your Xero account. You'll then need to connect or sign in to your Xero account if you haven't already, then click Continue. Next, we need to add an action, which is what happens after the trigger fires. Click the Action button, then search for and select Xero again. This time, choose Find Invoice as the action event. This step is crucial because it retrieves the full invoice details, including the PDF, which will attach to the thank you email later. Connect or sign in to your Xero account again. If prompted, then click Continue. Now you'll see some configuration options. Select your Xero account from the dropdown, then in the Search By field, select Invoice Number. Here's where the magic happens. Map the invoice number from the trigger step into the search field. This links the payment you just received to the specific invoice in Xero. Click Continue once that's set up. Before moving forward, click Test Action to verify that Zapier can successfully find the invoice and its PDF. This is an important checkpoint to make sure everything is working properly. Once the test passes, click Continue, head back to the Zap editor, and click the plus button to add another action. This is where we'll set up the actual email. Search for and select Gmail as the app. Choose Send Email as the action event, then connect or sign in to your Gmail account. Now comes the personalization part. In the To field, map the contact email from the trigger step so the email goes to the right customer. For the subject line, type something like "Thank you for your payment on invoice" and then insert the invoice number field from earlier steps. In the body section, you can craft a warm message. Type something like "Dear" and insert contact name, then continue with "Thank you for paying" and insert payment amount. Add a line like "Attached is your receipt for your records." If you want your email to look nicer, you can switch to HTML mode. Most importantly, make sure to attach the invoice PDF from the Find Invoice step so your customer has their receipt. Click Continue when you're done. Now click Test Action to send yourself a test email and verify everything looks correct. Check that the invoice PDF is attached and all the fields populated properly. Once the test passes, give your Zap a clear name like "Thank Customers for Xero Payments" so you can easily identify it later. Click Publish, then toggle the Zap to On. Your automation is now live and will automatically send thank you emails with invoice PDFs every time a payment comes through Xero. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.